Hello everyone. Today we will see about the healthy diet. Healthy diet in India should be a balance and include a variety of foods and different type of food groups. So here are some tips for a healthy diet in India. Fruits and veggie tips. Incorporate a variety of fruits and vegetables. First one is incorporating a variety of fruits and vegetables into your diet is a great way to promote good health. Fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals and fiber which are essential nutrients for your body. Here are some tips to help you incorporate more fruits and vegetables into your diet. So choose a variety of colors. Eating a variety of fruits and vegetables of different colors ensure that you are getting a wide range of nutrients. For example, orange fruits and vegetables contain beta-carotene, which dark leafy green vegetables are rich in iron and calcium. Second one is make fruits and vegetables a part of every meal. Try to include fruits and vegetables in your meal. You can add them to your breakfast smoothie, have a salad with lunch, and include roasted or steamed vegetables with dinner. Third, snacks on fruits and vegetables. Keep a bowl of fruits on your kitchen counter and cut up vegetables like carrots, cucumber, or bell peppers for a healthy snack. Fourth one is try new recipes. So experiment with different recipes that incorporate fruits and vegetables. You can make a stir fry with colorful veggies, a fruit salad for dessert, or a vegetable soup for a warming meal. Remember that incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your diet does not have to be a complicated or expensive. Start with small changes and over time you will be able to build healthier eating habits. Make sure to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.